Hola clase. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope that you guys had a great spring break. I wanted to discuss a few important things about this week with you guys. First of all, here are the new partners for after the midterms. So midterms are going to be next week. So next, not this coming week for the partner dialogues, but the following one, these are going to be your new partners. So go ahead and get into contact with them if you have any troubles trying to locate their information. Please send me an email and I will let you guys know how to contact them. Okay. And we have a couple of announcements for some things we have coming up. We're still in Module 3, so we haven't moved on to Module 4 yet. So we're still also in Lesson 3 in VHL. I did return your guys' rough drafts to you. I sent everyone an email with my comments. Some of you, I have asked you to send me an email. Please do so at your convenience this week, because with times that you guys are available to meet, because I would like to meet with some of you individually this week to discuss your rough drafts. I also gave you guys some feedback via assessments in D2L about the grade that you received for your rough draft. Later on this week, on Sunday, you will have your final draft due of, excuse me, of the first composition. Make sure you guys turn that in via assignments. So nobody should be submitting anything to me through email. I shouldn't be getting messages later that you guys turn them in somewhere else. You have to turn them in through assignments. That's where I'll be grading them. Then the following week, we're going to be having midterm oral exams through Adobe Connect. You guys will be making an appointment with me. And then we'll also be having the activities on the VHL website. Okay, so how it works with the midterm oral exams is that you and your partner both need to sit down and think of your current partner that you have right now, not the changed partners. You need to sit down and think of a time, 3 times next week, Monday through Friday, that work for you guys. Send me an email. Doesn't matter who sends it. Anybody can send it, but make sure you copy your partner onto that email with 3 distinct times. So like Monday at 10 a.m., Tuesday at 5 p.m., Thursday at 2 p.m. Give me some different times that you guys are both going to be available. I need more than just, Monday at 9, 9:15, 9:30, because sometimes I'm going to be available at different hours, okay? So go ahead and start sending me those emails so that we can get a list set up of the appointments, okay? So those are the big announcements for this week. Here, assignments is where you guys are going to be turning in your final draft of your composition. Okay, this is the only place, Composition 1 Final Draft, that I will be looking for your assignments. I will not accept any turned into me via email. Okay, so that's it for these assignments. Let's go ahead and go to VHL. This is what you have due for this week. Like I said, we are still in Module 3, so on VHL we're on Lesson 3. You have all the activities here. Here are the partner dialogues. Lean estas afirmaciones en parejas y digan si están de acuerdo y por qué. La televisión ayuda a los padres a educar a sus hijos. TV helps parents to educate their children. Gracias a los programas infantiles, los padres tienen más tiempo libre. Thanks to children's shows, parents have more free time. La televisión hace compañía a los enfermos y ancianos. Television gives company to sick people and older people, so gives kind of them a distraction, something to do. La televisión es buena para niños y ancianos, para los demás es una pérdida de tiempo. Television is good for kids and old people, and for the rest, it's a waste of time. Okay, so you have to say whether or not you agree with these sentences and then tell me why. Okay, so both of you guys will have to go back and forth about this. This is under Lección 3, Literatura, Opinar. Okay, Lección 3, Estructuras, Commands, Escenas. Escojan dos de estos personajes e improvisen una conversación de una película. Usen mandatos afirmativos y negativos de las formas tú, usted, ustedes y nosotros, nosotras. Usen pronombres cuando sea posible. Okay? So that's going to be the second activity that we have to do. So here are the people: Rodolfo, Olga, Tomasito, Doña Filomena. Okay, so here's some different people that you guys have to work with this particular prompt. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. This will be the last week that you guys have to turn in anything with your partner for the partner dialogues. Okay, so this is the last one you're going to do with your current partner. Then you'll see that the week after that we don't have any due, and that's because this week right here we're going to have finals. Okay, so if you guys do have questions about either the composition, my comments, if you have questions about getting in contact with your new partner, please reach out to me via email and let me know. I'm also going to upload 2 new grammar tutorials that we have for this week for the commands and the object pronouns. So if you guys, I hope you guys have a good week. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.